Cut down on travel time your installers spend backtracking between appointments during their day, saving your business time and money. With Insyte, this can be done quickly and simply, allowing you to even add more install appointments into the workday. Once appointments are added in Insyte, these can be reviewed and optimized following these simple steps. Click on Calendar. Select Installer. Click the car icon at the top of the day. In this example, the map shows the route where the installer drives past the third appointment to get to their second appointment, increasing their travel time for today. You can optimize their run by a simple drag and drop to change the order of the appointments in the calendar. Then, the distance and time will be updated, while the map shows the optimized route between the appointments. You have now optimized the installer's run for the day. Want to take advantage of installing more with less travel time when creating an installation run? Then try Insyte today for free and see how else Insyte can benefit your business.